Hi guys, this week we are making smoothies, 3-ingredient breakfast smoothies that are delicious, that are healthy, and we're making them for 5 days, and I want to show you how easy it is. Now this time we're making my creamy chocolate smoothie, and it's got 3 ingredients, and it's very, very delicious and fantastic for a light breakfast or lunch or even an indulgent little dinner. So we've got half an avocado here. We've also got some Healthy Chef protein. Now I'm using Healthy Chef WPI chocolate. You can also use organic pea protein chocolate maca. So 2 generous spoonfuls of that. And a cup. Actually, you can use almond milk or coconut milk, but I'm using coconut water. So a nice, beautiful cup of coconut water in here. A little splash more. And lots of ice, because I like my smoothies thick and icy, especially when the weather is getting a little bit warmer. Now all we do is blend. Beautiful, creamy and delicious. Now check this out. I'm going to pour it into a serving glass. Now this will make 1 or 2 generous servings. It's lovely, it's thick and it's creamy. It tastes just like a chocolate mousse and makes a healthy, perfect little meal. Enjoy.